Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, and this is my cucumber planter, and it's got a lot of cucumbers and a lot of potential cucumbers that are growing off of it. These planters grow your food with no human intervention. All I did was split my plants in, I set it and I forget it. I hit it with a 3-12-12 maybe about 3 times this year so far, and it's been taken off. Actually, I don't even pay attention to it. I walk by it and I just let it grow. Because I don't really need the food right now. I'm coming back right now and I'm going to cut some of the cucumbers off of it because they're getting big, and I want to promote more growth. And the way to do it is to come in and start cutting your cucumbers off. So I want you to see what's going. Oh, this was going on my my torpedo pot. That's huge, isn't it? Yeah, that's very huge. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make planters that grow your food with no human intervention. They grow all by themselves. They don't need you to do anything. And in turn, I get great food. Torpedo Pot grows not only cucumbers, but so many other plants that are out there. And it looks like I don't have to go far for cucumbers. Man, they're huge, guys. I don't know if I grew this variety before or not. But look at that. Can you believe that cucumber that's there? Man, that's 1, 2. There's a lot. I picked some earlier. I didn't know how much they were growing, and now I can see that they practically taken off and started growing. And they're doing very well. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is amazing. So yeah, all I did was put my plants in. I set my planter, turned my timer on. I hit it with 3-12-12 about maybe 3 times this year so far. And this is what I get. I get cucumbers that are an amazing shape and color, beautiful texture, and literally have very few blemishes. Very few blemishes sitting on the ground, very few blemishes, and they look great. They look delicious. We'll crack one open a little bit later on. But Torpedo Pot grows your food with no human intervention. All you do is literally set it and forget it. I don't need to tell you, I think I got a lot of cucumbers in this coming out of this planter here. So let's see if we can pull some of these off. The tough part is that the cucumber is going all around the planter. So when you take your planter and put it in an enclosed area, you got to be able to get to it and cut some of these things off. So be careful how you set your planter up. But isn't this amazing? This is my second crop so far, and it's amazing. So I'm really just going to come back and I'm going to pick as much off as I can. I'm not concerned about the size, because wow, look at all this back here. I wish you could see this. This is amazing. This truly is amazing. Boy, this is going to be a tough find. Look at this, guys. Isn't that amazing? That's gorgeous. All these cucumbers. See, there's more back there. Oh man, this is terrible. And I'm not even going, this is a small percentage of going around the planter here. This is amazing. Look at this. And it looks great. Doesn't that look great? Isn't that beautiful? That's what's growing in your torpedo pot. When you set it and forget it, it grows cucumbers. Torpedo pot can grow your food better than you can. I don't want you to think that you can grow your food. Food grows by itself. You create an environment for it to grow, and torpedo pot will grow things like you've never seen before. And there are many of these that torpedo pot will grow. So let's go dig a little deeper. Let's see what we can get out of this thing here. So many plants. Okay. See, there's more in there. I see more. Yeah. Like I said, I'm going to take off as much as I can. I'm not looking to. They got a lot more flowers. I want to push that growth to these flowers that are going to bring forth a lot of fruit. And so I'm not trying to literally save anything. Some of the tough thing is being able to see your cucumbers while it's growing, because there's so many of them. Let me go see if I can come back here and get more of these. Okay. Here we are. Right down the side of here. Man, that's amazing. Look at that. boy. My second harvest. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this. Oh my goodness, look at this. Torpedopot grows your food with no human intervention. Look at the size of this cutie. Isn't that amazing? All I did was put my seeds, my plants in the planter, and it grew this cucumber and many more like it. If I let them stay on, they will grow this big. But I don't want to do that. I want more to come out of it. Let's get some more cooties out of there. I'm not going to take everything off, but just enough to keep me going. Okay. I dread having to go in the back here because there's tomatoes and everything else going back here, and I hate to destroy it. Oh my gosh, you're going to love this one. Look at this. This is a cutie. If you thought that one was big, look at this one. Wow. Look at that. Will you look at that? That is beautiful. Look at that. Torpedopot grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Look how long that is. That's amazing. That is amazing. That's Torpedopot. Wow, look, another one. And another one. Look at this. Just when you think it was all over with, look at this. Look what my Torpedopot did. It's growing cucumbers like you've never seen before. I bet you can eat this, huh? Isn't that amazing? Torpedopot grows your food with no human intervention. All I want you to do, put your plants in and let them grow. Remember, you can't grow your food. Can you grow your children? No. So change the way you're viewing your food. You don't grow your food anymore, right? It grows by itself. Nobody can grow it. Which means that 90% of the stuff that's sold on the store shelf that claims to grow your food is incorrect. Stop buying these chemicals and putting them in your food. Let Torpedopot grow your food for you. Torpedopot grows your food with no human intervention. And look at the quality of food you're getting out of this. You don't see any blemishes on this. There's no blemishes on this food. This is perfect food. Food that you deserve, that you need to have in your body. Not filled with fertilizers, but filled with nutrients that can make a difference. I don't have to go to the vitamin store and get supplements and stuff like that. I have my food right here, and I can eat it anytime I want to. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we grow your food for you. Let's go find another one. Okay, let's see if we can find another one down in here. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. There might be some back there, guys. Wow, look at that one. Look at this one, too. That's amazing. Look at that. Torpedopot grows your food. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm gonna let the rest of them grow. I think I've got all the big ones off. I'm not sure, but I think I do. So let's reassess what we have here. 1, 2, 3, it's my second harvest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cucumbers in just my second harvest. Total, I would say maybe about 20 cucumbers total. Now, what do I do with these? I'm gonna leave that up to you to tell me what to do with them. These cucumbers have been growing in this Torpedopot with no human intervention. And these are my large cuties. My small cuties are here, and they also grow with no human intervention. So tomorrow we'll come back and we'll pick them off. I already harvested from them once too. I think a big harvest from these, maybe about 10, 12, but we'll see what else they have to give. Let Torpedopot grow your food. And what I don't want you to do, don't grow the food that you see on TV. I want you to diversify and learn to grow food that you want to eat. Learn to grow food not only that you want to eat, but it's available in your climate, in your temperature. So you can eat and have whatever you want when you need it. When I come outside, I don't really need to pick these big ones. You can see how big they can grow, right? Because I only use what I need. I don't need to store stuff in my refrigerator anymore. I just come outside and pick it and eat it, and I can enjoy my life with my cuties. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. If you want real food that makes a difference in your life, that's really nutritious, then you must get a Torpedopot. Don't let anybody fool you with any imitations. A lot of research and development went into these planters to grow your food effectively. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Amazing.